Welcome to the video. This is one idea to make a 1/12 scale dollhouse miniature robot vacuum for display using a thin bottle cap, large button, and paper. Materials are listed below the video. Press and glue the button inside the thin bottle cap. Glue thin quilling strip around the top edge of cap, curving so it is part on the side edge and part on top. Press quilling edges down on top. Glue 1-inch circle cardstock on top. Press, then glue the second circle on top. Now glue another thin quilling strip around the bottom edge of the bottle cap so the middle of the cap is visible. Add a silver circle sticker or something similar to the top. Apply sealer, let dry. Glue 2 brush-type feet to the underside of the cap on the button. Ideas for a charger docking station: add a tall or short canister, or keep as a base charging dock station. You could also add a window to the canister to show the level of fill and a circle light to show the charger status, depending on where you want to display. For the base, trace 5 soda cap circles cut out. Fold 2 circles in half. Glue each together in 2 separate pieces. Then glue together. Press the semicircle flat, let dry. Next, glue 2 circle pieces together, press flat. Glue 2 side pieces together, press around a soda cap with clamps for a few minutes. Then glue semicircle to the top end of the side. Clip excess. Glue top and side to the 2 circle pieces. Add the final circle to the bottom of the base and clip the edge if needed. Add a silver circle sticker to the inside of the base floor, if desired. Option for the canister: decide on the height. Tall is 1.5 inches, short is 1 inch. For this example, I'm using the 1 inch height. Cut a 3.5 by 1 inch piece of cardstock. Draw a 1 inch by 1 inch piece in the center and 3/8 inch lines to either side. See video. Fold on lines inward. Glue together so back center has a seam overlap. Press. Canister window. Place a punch half inside the canister. Press sides of the punch to the side edge of the canister about 1/4 inch from the top. Punch. For the charging station small circle, center below the rectangle window that you just punched, up 1/4 from the bottom. Then punch. Now glue the top of the canister to a piece of cardstock. Let dry, trim excess edges to the rectangle shape. Then glue thin quilling strips around the top and the bottom of the canister. Start at the back seam. Glue top of the canister again to cardstock, let dry, and trim edges as before. Glue silver stickers around the rectangle and circle, or paint them with silver marker. Cut a thin plastic or acetate piece to fit inside the front of the canister, slightly less than 1 inch by 1 inch. Flip over and glue inside. Cut a 3 by 5/16 piece of cardstock. Fold into pleats to fit inside the canister for strength and to hold the plastic piece. Glue the bottom of the canister to the top of the docking station. Let dry. Then seal. Let dry again. You could add a green dot or red dot of paint to the circle for the charging station. The power cable piece is about 1/4 by 1/8 by 1/16 inches. Cut a 2-inch piece of embroidery floss, separate 2 strands, glue together running through your fingers, let dry. Punch or cut 12 rectangle pieces, 1/4 by 1/8 each. Between 2 rectangles, glue one end of the floss in between and press. Glue 7 more to one side, 2 to the other side, press. Glue around the edges with a thin quilling strip. Add the extra rectangle if needed. Add 2 silver prongs to the thin side of the charger, seal. When dry, glue to the back of the charger dock station, cut floss length as needed. You could display the robot vacuum with the miniature cat sitting on top. Or you could add a magnet in between the bottom and cap before assembly, so another magnet below the floor could help move it around the floor, going into the docking station and out of it, then around the furniture. I hope you like and share this video, making a miniature robot vacuum. Thank you so much for watching.